your front jack point is going to be your front tow hook. So going under the front middle of the vehicle right here, you're going to see a tow hook right there. That's a tow hook. That's going to be your front jack point right there. So this is the back of the van. We're getting under the back of the van. And you're going to go past this. We're still... So you're going to get to the subframe right here. And right here, we're going to see this point right there. So that's where I'm going to put the jack. Right there where that light's touching. Okay, so we use the front jack point, the tow hook, to lift the front of the vehicle up. We get our front jack stands in place with the front wheels off the ground. And then we let the front jack stay there for safety, but you need to put a couple inches of clearance between it and the front jack point while you do the back jack point, because when you lift up the rear of the vehicle, the front is going to come down a little bit, and so you want to make sure the weight stays on the jack stands, not on the jack once it's in the air. So we've done that. We've got all four wheels off the ground, and all the weight is on the four jack stands. And then the two jacks are still in place right up to the jack point in case we'd have a jack stand fall. We have added safety there. So now